Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic, classification of microorganisms. First of all, what is classification of microorganisms? Classification refers to process of organizing and categorizing organisms into groups based on similarities and differences. A wide range of living forms exist in the environment. Organisms can be of different types such as animals, fungi, plants, protista, and bacteria. Reason for classification of microorganisms. Classification helps in knowing the relationship between the different groups of organisms. It helps in knowing the evolutionary relationship between organisms. These organisms can be classified in various ways based on their distribution characteristics. Three Kingdom Classification. In the year of 1866, Ernest Haeckel classifying living organisms into three kingdoms, they Plantae, Protista and Animalia. Five Kingdom Classification. Among different systems of classification, the Five Kingdom Classification proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. It is a widely accepted classification system. They are Monera, Protista, Fungi, plants and animals. Six Kingdom Classification. The Six Kingdom Classification system is the widely accepted method for categorizing all forms of life based on certain fundamental characteristics. It divides organisms into six major groups: Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Do you enjoying this video? And I like to ask some questions. Please answer in comment box. Who proposed the Five Kingdom Classification? Second, give two examples of bacteria. And one more thing, do you have any questions? Please comment below. Thank you.